Thanks for watching Pew Kitchen. This is the continuation of stuffed waffle, guys. Just join me and let us enjoy this video, man. Stuffed waffle, man. We're making all kind of stuffed waffle. You could do the same at home with your kids. And please don't forget, if you're new, please subscribe, guys. I'm looking for a lot of comments and like, man, and share, man. Please help me out and share my video, like my video, okay? You can ask. You can ask me. Strawberry, banana, blueberry. What about strawberry, banana, blueberry you have there?
With strawberry inside of it.
Yes, strawberry inside of it.
Oh, there's another one.
No, making apple.
The apple, pineapple, and banana.
Pineapple, that's apple.
Pineapple and banana.
You need some pineapple, apple, and banana.
Yeah.
So that here is that is apple, pineapple,
Banana.
blueberry,
Yeah, and banana.
strawberry, banana.
All
Yep.
mixed up.
There's a pineapple here. Pineapple waffle. This is the blueberry on their plate. This is my blueberry, and it have apple and everything in this one here.
Looking good.
This is pineapple, banana, apple, and strawberry.
Okay. You can see the blueberry on the top.
Yes, you can see the blueberry and the banana and stuff like that there. See that there? Banana, apple, pineapple, and blueberry.
I'm curious how this tastes.
Okay, hon, so what you want?
Yeah, what do you want?
I'll take bacon and cheese.
Okay.
Bacon and cheese.
Anything else?
You can add bell peppers to it too. Thanks.
Okay.
Again, bacon.
Bacon and cheese with some bulk pepper. Add the topping.
You gotta put your cheese.
You can add anything you want to. Especially here or vegetarian. So we got bacon, cheese, and bear
Bell peppers.
peppers. I wonder what cheese and bacon is like in the waffle.
All right.
Just
Let it sit and cook. So that one is bacon and cheese with bell pepper. That's right?
yes.
Yes.
Okay, get it.
This is my bacon and egg stuffed waffles. Okay, so we got our bacon and cheese. I can smell the bacon. Ah, that's the bacon there. See? Bacon, cheese, and bell pepper. Alright, let me see this one here. Yep, we're good. So now I'm making a special one here. This one is extra special to me.
Morning.
Run that. Sure. To me, as I said, okay? So, I'll be doing an egg and bacon stuffed waffle. All right.